Good evening, Twitter. Time for an oil change. Here's everything we're going to need for the job. This tutorial applies to 1987 to 2001 Jeep Cherokees with the 4-liter engine. However, the process is very similar to other Jeep models with the same engine.
First, pop the hood using the release cable located under the dashboard. Looking at the engine's top center, remove the oil fill cap. Kick your drain pan under the truck and climb to meet it from the passenger side. Here's your oil drain plug. It can be varying sizes depending on what year and if it's been replaced before. Mine happens to be a 14mm. You can either wait for the oil to drain or tactically maneuver the drain pan so it's under the filter located on the passenger side of the engine. Normally this area is home to a bunch of air conditioning lines, but the filter can still be reached just as easily. Although I only ever put these on hand tight, I always find myself in need of a filter wrench. Put a thin layer of oil on the O-ring and install the new filter hand tight. By now the last of the oil should be drained, so clean off and reinstall the plug. This gets torqued to 20 foot-pounds, but most people just snug it down. Next, fill it up with 6 quarts of 5W30 oil from whatever brand the internet has convinced you to buy. Usually people will take it slow with the last quart, opting to cautiously check the level on the dipstick, but since this engine leaks oil, and yours probably does too, I'm not too concerned about overfilling it. Put the cap back on and start the engine. Pay attention to your oil pressure gauge if equipped. The pressure will build after a small delay as the oil is pumped through the empty filter. Once it holds at a steady level, quickly check around for any obnoxious leaks, and then go relax on a nice cruise knowing you've just done something over half your graduating class cannot.